When you search for the best shoulder workouts, everything looks the same. Same claims, same images. But to find out what truly builds mass and definition, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Shape Without Bulk. Shape Without Bulk in 15 Minutes a Day by Joyce L. Vidral. I saw this hardcover priced at $22, and honestly, it's designed for those who want to sculpt their shoulders without adding bulk. If you want a streamlined, toned look, this is worth a serious look. This book dives into effective techniques that can transform your shoulder workouts. It emphasizes short, impactful routines that fit into your busy schedule, making it perfect for anyone who struggles to find time to train. The promise of seeing results in just 15 minutes a day is enticing, especially if you're looking to enhance definition without the excess mass. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Shorter workouts mean you're more likely to stick with them, which is crucial for long-term gains. Now, some people complain that the book doesn't go in depth on the science behind the workouts. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for practical routines to follow, that can be a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you're short on time but serious about shaping your shoulders. Skip this one if you prefer a detailed scientific approach to training. For $22, it's a solid investment. Now, if the time commitment of Shape Without Bulk is a concern for you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Shoulder Pain Reset. Shoulder Pain Reset by Evan Calder, priced at $16.99. This paperback caught my attention with its focus on safe strength and mobility. If you're dealing with shoulder issues but still want to build mass and definition, this is definitely worth considering. This book breaks down common shoulder pain patterns in easy-to-understand language, explaining what to look out for and when to seek medical attention. It features a tailored 7-day shoulder reset to help you regain confidence and strength without risking further injury. It's especially beneficial for anyone who's experienced setbacks in their shoulder training. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The guidance on mobility assessments can help you track your progress safely, ensuring you're not overdoing it. Now, I did see some reviews mentioning that it might not have enough advanced techniques for seasoned lifters. Here's the thing though, if you're struggling with pain or mobility, this book is a lifesaver. This is perfect for you if you've been sidelined by pain and want to ease back into your shoulder workouts. Skip this if you're already pain-free and looking for advanced training tips. At $16.99, it's a worthwhile resource. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for preventing injuries while still building strength.
Product number 3, Healthy Shoulder Handbook. Healthy Shoulder Handbook by Dr. Carl Knopf is next at just $9.99. This paperback focuses on treating and preventing common shoulder injuries. If maintaining shoulder health while building mass is your goal, this is worth a look. It offers 100 exercises specifically aimed at preventing issues like frozen shoulder and rotator cuff injuries. This is crucial for anyone who wants to work out consistently without setbacks. The clear illustrations and explanations make it easy to follow along, which is great if you're new to fitness or recovering from an injury. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a variety of exercises can keep your routine fresh and effective, helping to avoid overuse injuries. Now, some users noted that the exercises can feel repetitive after a while, but here's the thing, consistency is key to shoulder health, and sometimes sticking to the basics is all you need. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive guide to shoulder health while still aiming for muscle definition. Skip this if you're looking for advanced or high-intensity workouts. At $9.99, it's a steal for the wealth of information it provides. Now, if the focus on injury prevention in the Healthy Shoulder Handbook wasn't what you were looking for, check out this next one that dives right into building strength.
Product number 4, Exercises to Relieve Shoulder Pain by Jim Connor, priced at $6.99, is up next. This book focuses on exercises designed to alleviate pain while also building strength. If you want to work through your shoulder discomfort while still making gains, this is worth considering. The book provides a variety of exercises targeting not just the shoulders, but also the neck and elbows, which is vital since these areas often work together. It emphasizes mobility and balance, something that can be overlooked in traditional strength training. Here's why this matters for you. By improving your overall shoulder and upper body function, you can maximize your workouts and prevent injuries. However, some reviews pointed out that the layout can be confusing at times, but I'll be real with you. Once you get the hang of it, the exercises can be very effective. This is perfect for you if you're currently dealing with pain but still want to make progress. Skip this if you're already pain-free and looking for purely strength-focused routines. At $6.99, it's a great value for anyone looking to balance relief and strength training. Now, if you want something that pushes the boundaries of traditional workouts, this last one is a unique take on shoulder training.
Product number 5, the new Arm and Shoulder Workout by M. Lawrence, priced at just $5.97. This one caught my eye because it offers a strategic overload training approach. If you want to build strength and size effectively, this is definitely worth checking out. This book introduces a 6-week program that systematically increases resistance, which is key for muscle growth. The strategic overload method ensures you're not just lifting weights, but also progressively challenging your muscles. This approach can lead to significant gains in mass and definition. Here's why this matters for you. A structured program can keep you motivated and on track for your goals. However, I did see that some users felt the program was too basic for advanced lifters. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a solid foundation or a refresher, it's perfect. This is great for you if you're starting out or want to get back to the basics of muscle building. Skip this if you're an advanced athlete seeking complex routines. At $5.97, it's an absolute bargain for the quality of guidance provided.
To wrap up, we explored 5 great options for shoulder workouts. Shape Without Bulk for quick routines, Shoulder Pain Reset for injury recovery, Healthy Shoulder Handbook for prevention, Exercises to relieve shoulder pain for balance, and the new Arm and Shoulder Workout for strategic growth. Each offers unique benefits, so pick one that suits your needs best.